Life is not perfect. We all dream about having the speed of comfyui inside the user-friendly and intuitive workflow of Automatic 1111. Introducing Stable Forge. It is said to increase your image generation speed with SDXL up to 60 to 75% if you are using a 6GB card, and it makes no change to the user interface of the original Webui. So we are going to install this and compare it against the original Webui, and also I am going to share a little trick where you can use your pre-existing Stable Diffusion models folder as well as the ControlNet models folder and others to link them with your Forge Webui. Click here to download the package. Now I'll just put that file inside a folder and extract that. When you launch this UI for the first time, it is going to take a little bit of time. You can see the user interface is exactly the same as Automatic 1111 Webui, but there are some extensions that come integrated with Stable Forge. Now, how about trying out the original Webui? Now, I shall be using the exact same model, same prompt and same dimensions for this image. It takes around 27 to 28 seconds for each image generated with this Juggernaut XL version 6 model with a sampling step of 20 and height and width of 1024 pixels. Now we have to run this experiment again with the Stable Forge UI, but before that we have to redirect our common folder for Stable Diffusion models into Forge so that we can use all of them inside Stable Forge without creating another copy of them inside its folder. Now to perform that, let us get inside the Webui folder and right click on this Webui user.bat. Once you click on edit it, it opens up to something like this one. Now I am going to change some words in this text file. What you can do is just copy this text that I have attached in the description and paste it inside your Webui user.bat file. Just remember to change these directories with the folder link in which the files are situated in your own computer. Then go back and run Stable Forge. Now we shall be using that same prompt with Juggernaut XL version 6 model, while keeping the sampling steps and the height and width intact. Now this one took only 18.5 seconds. Let us generate again. The average time taken to generate a single image with the same settings in Stable Forge is around 18 to 19 seconds. With my 12GB NVIDIA RTX 3060, it takes around 33% less time in Stable Forge compared to the standard Webui. It's a whopping 50% increase in speed. That's insane. I have ran quite a few tests with various different models, different settings, and by changing other parameters. More or less the result is pretty safe. The Forge UI really puts Automatic Webui on steroids. And apart from speed, there is also another reason for you to download Stable Forge right away, because there is now an extension created specifically for Forge that can create images with transparent backgrounds. Just watch this video to try out this insane new extension.